In this video, I'll show you how you can fix NVIDIA control panel is missing or not showing. Now, the first thing I suggest you do is you come over here to Device Manager, and in here we want to check under Display Adapters if it even recognizes your graphics card. So if you can see your NVIDIA graphics card in here, then that's totally fine. After that, what I suggest you do is you install either the NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience. Now, NVIDIA app is basically just a newer version of the GeForce Experience, but if you have GeForce Experience, that's fine as well. In here, what you want to do is you want to head over to drivers and check for updates, and then you want to take the latest driver. After you've done that, check if it works. If it still doesn't, another thing you can do is open up the Microsoft Store, and in here you can actually download NVIDIA control panel. So just select this one, and then you want to download it and see if it works after that. Now, after all of this, if it still doesn't work, what we can do is come here to Services, open it up, press Anywhere and press N, and find our NVIDIAs. We should have 3 of them, and what you want to do is you want to select the first one, Automatic, and make sure it says Running. If it says Stopped, just press Start, so it says Running. Now you want to make sure all of these are like this, so we're going to start this one, and the last one, Automatic and Running. Now, if they, for some reason, already say Running, so you didn't have to do that, it was already like that, what you can do is you can right click on it and restart, and do that for all of them. Now, after that, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, the last step that you can try is simply to uninstall and reinstall it. So go to Apps and Features, in here search for NVIDIA, and then just uninstall everything that has NVIDIA, and then you want to try and reinstall it. Now keep in mind, after you've done all of this, it's a good idea to restart your PC so all the changes can take place. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.